Hi everyone, this is Danielle Presley with my research for Unit 2 discussion, the use of InDesign within the graphic design industry. So I'm sure, as everybody knows, Adobe InDesign is the leading program in regards to layout design. It's used from postcards and business cards to magazines and web pages and everything in between. So InDesign, what I found in my research, it's used mostly for massive multi-page documents, but it's used and able to be done with other things outside of that for so much more. It's not just limited anymore to our print media. You can use it for, more so now than ever. It's used with our web pages and the multimedia and, interactive ebooks and magazines. And it almost, it's almost a little overwhelming. It's so adaptive and so flexible in how we use it. And looking into it, I was surprised to see just how many specific industries use it. Travel and advertisement and marketing and web design, and that wasn't even all of it, or even just a small portion of it. I didn't, so to learn InDesign is to give yourself and as a designer, just such a large market to move and work in. There's so much business and so much opportunity to utilize just from understanding and knowing InDesign. But the big thing that makes InDesign so valuable, it's not just how popular it is or the flexibility of the program. This is a very powerful thing that we have at our fingertips that we can learn and use. It has such a wide array of tools and functions, and that's definitely what has me so excited about it. Is learning what unique little tricks it has. It's I was quite surprised in my research to learn and find out just the wide variety of files it supports and can use in regards to the design itself. And we're not talking just text and images, there's video and audio and so much more. And, going through the videos this week alone, outside of the research, seeing how customizable it is for each specific user and how you can use it based on your own personal preferences is a really neat and really cool thing to have in a program that's this big. And it has really cool styles that you can build and utilize with your paragraph and your text and more of it. And there everywhere I looked mentioned the specifically as one of the most unique features is the master page, which we just went over. And it helps, helps unify your larger documents, your multi-page documents. And it really helps streamline and simplify some of that process if you know how to use it. And one of the other things that I've really liked just working with Adobe in general is the strong professional variety of presets in all of their programs and the fonts. I could go on about fonts all day. But it's all it's all accessible to your fingertips. It's clicks away, and that's something that really makes InDesign and Adobe itself stand out compared to other programs. And so, like I mentioned, I'm really excited to be learning this. I'm really excited to be able to learn this on this level, so in depth as we are with this class. And if there's something I missed or if y'all learned something else, please tell me. I definitely want to know more. But thank you for listening, and I hope y'all have a great evening.